Hello, how are you?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
Fantastic. I'm Sandy. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Great.
Yes.
And how has your weekend been, Sahiba?
Uh, Good. Not
Yeah.
bad.
What
Yep.
did you do?
Uh, Actually, right now I am learning English, so my all focus on speaking English.
All
Yep.
of my focus is on
All
speaking
of
English.
my all of my focus
Mhm.
on the
Is
English
on
is on
speaking English.
speaking English.
My
Okay.
focus on speaking English. There you go.
Okay.
That's
So
fantastic.
yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Australia, but
Australia. Wow.
yeah, but I have an American accent because I grew up in different places.
Okay, you speak American accent.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, right now uh, I am learn, I am learning American
Mhm.
accent.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
I am very interested in American accent.
Why American?
I like it.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
cool. Well,
yes.
do you know what American accent you like? Because there's so many different ones in America. Or
I
just
don't
the
know.
like one on TV, the normal general American accent.
Yeah, general.
Yeah. Yeah, some
Yes,
of them are too strong.
yes, yes.
Hmm. Well, that's
Yeah.
great. Why are you so focused on learning English, Saiba?
Actually, I want to go outside, outside of India. I mean, I want to go to in abroad for
I want to
study.
go abroad
I want to go abroad for study
to
and
study.
for okay to study.
Sorry, Saiba.
No problem.
I know
I'm
that's
happy.
Do you want me to interrupt you with mistakes or wait till the end of the lesson, or how would work best for you?
Actually, I have been using Cambly
Mhm.
since a month. Since a month.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for a month.
for a month. For
Mhm.
okay,
Yes.
for a month. So I have been speaking English for a month. So I am
Amazing.
new. Yes, on
Yeah,
Cambly.
cool. Okay, welcome.
Yes.
um, and how else are you studying English? Only Cambly or
On
classes?
Yeah, only Cambly.
Mhm. Okay,
Yes.
well, I'm
Yes.
glad. I hope
Yeah.
it works well.
Yeah. All teachers uh, learn me English, teach me English.
Mhm.
All Cambly teachers. I'm so
Fantastic.
glad to all.
Oh, that's great.
Yep.
Wow. Um, so before Cambly, you didn't speak any English?
No.
Wow, Sahiba, that's amazing.
Hmm.
Your English is already really nice.
Oh,
The
but
mistakes
little
I'm
bit.
hearing are small. Like they are there. You need to improve, but
Yes.
wow, that's amazing. Sorry, I don't think anyone I've met on Cambly has learned that quickly.
You know, before Cambly, I can't speak any word of English. I mean, I can't
Wow.
speak any
I
sentence.
couldn't.
I couldn't speak any uh,
Mhm.
sentence. Any
Wow.
word. Yeah, yeah.
Sorry,
I
I'm just so impressed.
Yes. So I do only reading.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. What kind of books do you read?
Huh. Subconscious mind.
No. That sounds very interesting.
Yeah. So Think and Grow Rich.
I don't know it, no.
You don't know Think and Grow Rich book name?
No, sorry. I'm going to
No
search it
problem.
after our class. What
Okay.
is it about?
Uh, you know, um, Think and grow. Actually,
Sorry.
I don't know so much about Think and Grow Rich, about Think and Grow Rich book,
Okay.
because only I read. I
Mhm.
read.
I
Yes,
mhm. Okay.
yes, yeah. So
That's okay.
yep.
Well, what about other things you're doing at the moment? Are you just studying English or are
Yes,
you
yes.
working
Uh,
or
Actually, I am student. I am in 12th grade right now.
okay,
Yes.
great. So you're almost done.
Sorry.
You're almost finished
Yes,
after
yes.
12th grade.
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so you want to go abroad next year?
Yes. In
Wow.
America,
Do you know where in America?
in California.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. So,
California looks, yeah?
right now you are living in California? Oh, America,
No,
California.
no.
Where?
I want to learn French, so I live in France.
Okay, right now.
Hmm.
Okay. So you are originally Australian.
Yes.
Australian.
I'm
Okay.
Australian, I have an American accent, and I live in France.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
three different.
I see.
Doesn't make sense.
Mm-hmm.
But I would love to live in California. It looks beautiful.
Yes.
Why do you like California?
Actually, there are a good education and
Mm,
good teachers.
yeah,
Yes.
amazing. Do you know what you want to study?
Uh, Islamic study,
Yes.
religious study. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that would be very interesting.
Yes.
Do you know what you want to do after? Or you just,
I want to become an Islamic scholar.
wow, great. So you
Yes.
have all of your goals.
Yeah.
Are
So
you stressed a lot?
what's your dream?
Oh, what's my dream?
Yeah.
Mm, I love working remotely, so that's already one part. But I also love conservation. I love animals. So
Oh.
I, hmm, I used to live a bit of my dream. I was volunteering and helping animals, but with the pandemic,
Yes.
I had to leave that place. And
Uh-huh.
so I dream I can go back. Hmm,
Okay.
yeah.
So, oh, how old are you?
I'm 24.
24. Wow.
Hmm.
So young.
And how old are you, if I can ask?
What do you think
Well,
about
you
me?
said 12th grade, so very young, no?
Yes.
18?
17.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Turning 18?
Yep.
Well, are you gonna have a big birthday party? That's a big birthday.
Yeah.
How do you usually celebrate?
Uh, Celebration.
How do
Uh,
you like to celebrate? With family, with friends?
yeah. With family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you have a nice dinner and see your cousins and
No.
oh
Yeah.
what do you do?
Mm. I mm, I talk a lot with my family. Yeah.
That's nice.
In
Yeah.
free time.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you know anyone or do you have family in California?
No. No.
So you're going to go by yourself?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yes. Little bit.
Yeah. But also
Yeah.
excited?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Well, Sahiba, sorry.
No problem.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. I was rushing because we only have 20 seconds left, but it was really
Yes.
lovely to meet you.
Meet you too. I'm so glad to meet you.
Yeah, you inspired me. 1 month.
Yes.
Have a lovely day.
Yeah. Bye bye. Nice to meet you. See you
Bye.
again.